For those that say that it takes y'all hours upon hours to wash your hair, or just for wash day period, that's a no. That's out.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat.
If you be the cash, I'll be the rubber band. You be the match, I'ma be the fuse. Boom, painter, baby, you could be the muse. I'm the reporter, baby, you could be the news. Cause you're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're the joker. You are the chalk, and I could be the blackboard. You can be the top, and I can be the...
Okay, y'all, I done looked down and almost drowned myself. But now I am just rinsing out my hair, scrubbing my scalp, and making sure I get all that buildup and dirt off of my scalp before I add shampoo. When I add shampoo, I only add it to my roots and I scrub my scalp. I do not scrub the root of my hair. If I did that, my hair would be super tangly at the roots. That would be a disaster for when I have to detangle my hair. So after that, I go ahead and I rinse the shampoo out. And then I move on to conditioning my hair. Y'all, I use the same products that I've been using on my hair channel. Nothing new. Y'all know I use my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. After that, I put my hair into a bun and I tie a bag over my head and I just begin to deep condition while I continue on with my shower routine. After that, I go ahead and take that bun down and rinse my hair out. If you notice, I never scrub the shaft or my roots because that will cause friction, it would cause tangling, and I don't want that. I want it to be smooth sailing when it's time to actually detangle my hair. After that, I put my hair back into a bun because I have to keep my hair stretched. I gotta put my shirt over my hair. I do not do it with a towel. A towel causes friction on the hair, which could cause breakage. So I use an old t-shirt, and then I am done with my shower routine and my hair washing routine. Now what I'm about to do is go ahead and detangle my hair, and the only products that I am using are my trusty friend here, the Replenishing Style Cream. I have not repurchased this, honestly. This is the same jar that I've been using on my hair channel. And this is a mixture of black castor oil and virgin olive oil, and this is all I'm using today in my hair. I came out like girl, what you flicking? Oh god, I thought I seen a spider. Oh my god. And the trick here is to keep your hair from shrinking. So you want to always keep your hair stretched out. Now the reason why my hair is so easy to comb through is because every single wash day I detangle my hair and I put it right back in twist, and then I just wear it like that in whatever different style. So my hair is already detangled between each wash day. And I have 4C hair. Yes, so if I could do it, you definitely could do it. And you want to just keep it stretched out as you comb. I cringe when people comb their hair like this. Like, yo, that ain't gonna work. You're gonna be bald headed by the end of this session. So, no. And I am done with this section. And that took, what, like 30 seconds? And this is in real time. legit. Okay, now I could go ahead and take that and twist it up. Honestly, y'all could do whatever y'all want from here, but because I'm wearing a twist out, I'm just go ahead and twist my hair up. And I don't do it super tight, and I also don't go all the way to the ends, because once your hair dries up, your ends could become detangled. They could become tangled, and then you end up like ripping your ends apart, and yeah, that's not my get down. I just take some more styling cream and hit it like that, and I just twist it up. Okay, gotta make sure I stay modest on my channel. Y'all ain't gonna get no nudity on here. And what I'm doing is I don't just go straight into detangling. That will also cause breakage, and I'm avoiding that. So I just kind of pull my hair apart just to make sure that roots are not super tangly. Take some styling cream or whatever type. If you want to take some conditioner, you could do that. And just go ahead and coil your end. And that's that. After every section, you want to go ahead and clean out that shedded hair out of your detangling tool so that it doesn't wrap around your healthy hair strands and yank it out. I used to, in my old wash day video, I used to detangle my hair before taking a shower and before washing my hair. And I realized that I would still have to detangle my hair even after I showered. So I was losing way more hair than I actually needed to. So now I just wait until I've washed my hair. If you start to feel your hair getting dry, just go ahead and get a spray bottle and some water. My fan is on, so my hair is not as wet. So squeeze that in. I hope this video was very informative for you all, and if it was, go ahead and give this video a like. It really helps my channel, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye. You can't see me, and I am Neki.